The Samson Crack Repair System provides everything you need for a professional repair to cracked masonry. During installation, appropriate personal protective equipment should always be worn. Set the chasing equipment to the appropriate depth and cut a horizontal slot to the required width in the mortar bed, a minimum 500 mm to either side of the crack. Ensure all debris is removed from the slot using a suitable air pump. Use both the powder and liquid in their entirety when mixing the Samson grout to maintain a correct working ratio. Add the liquid first, then the powder and mix well using a paddle until a uniform creamy consistency is created. This usually only takes a couple of minutes. Insert the stainless steel nozzle, then trowel the mixed Samson grout into the black cartridge of the applicator gun. Wash out the slot using clean water, then apply the Samson grout in a continuous bead to the back of the opening. Insert the Samson helical bar and push gently into the grout with a finger trowel to give a superior fixing. Apply another bead of Samson grout and compress to fill any small voids in the masonry. The high-performance grout firmly secures the helical bars to create a strong, durable and flexible repair. Using matching mortar, the slot should then be repointed. Install other Samson helical bars as required using the same method. The crack can then be filled with Samson finishing grout, which prevents rain penetration, and the brick color matched with Samson color match to minimize its appearance. The helical bar's flexible design allows for repairs at building corners and can easily be incorporated into older masonry with a more random construction. It is also suitable for repairs to hollow potted brick with the use of a mortar mesh. Samson fixings. It's in the building.